Hello everyone, I hope you're well. I just thought I'd show you guys this. This is the English channel, obviously, which perfect boating conditions today. The wind is very light, but as you can see, the channel is like a milk pond. You know, this is perfect weather conditions. Look, it's like a swimming pool. It's a mill pond. So when you see numbers of upwards of 400, 500, 600 or 800, just imagine that this is the exact same conditions that are just over there, 23 miles away. No wind, no waves, no swell. Mill pond equals migrants. Anyway, let's see what tomorrow's figures bring, or shall I say today. Anyway, catch you later.